Welcome to Tyda Nature Camp, a serene retreat located 40 kilometers away from the bustling Araku Valley. This eco-paradise is also known as Jungle Bells Camp. It was established in 1996 by APTDC, Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation, offering a haven for those seeking respite from the chaos of city life. Tyda Nature Camp provides a unique blend of accommodations, featuring a play area for children and a well-maintained path that ascends towards various types of cozy huts. Each accommodation is thoughtfully designed to immerse visitors in the lap of nature, while ensuring the comforts of modern amenities. For nature enthusiasts, Tyda Nature Camp is more than just a retreat. It's a reconnection with the natural world. As we conclude our journey through this wilderness escape, we extend an invitation to those ready to embrace tranquility, encouraging them to experience the magic of Tyda.